And the raven speaks. Unusual sounds, almost like you have a chat room for them around the property. So many synchronicities with crows, ravens, the bird tribes, hummingbirds. Very healing. It's nature. A lot of people have a kind of more negative outlook towards ravens and black crows and stuff, but they're one archetypal word associated with them, the truth. It's not just a simple sound coming from their voices. And the sun is up. We passed the eclipse, we're still in the energies moving forward. Hallelujah. Gunatia,